So today is Kim's first time shopping in America. We're gonna go to Walmart. Gonna go grocery shopping for the first time. First on our list,
Onions.
onions,
Okay.
tomatoes, mangoes. You love mangoes?
Yeah, but this one is red.
It's a different color, huh?
Tita, how can you
Show the price.
98 cents.
So just two
What now?
lime.
Here's lime. Or actual limes.
Tita, they don't have
These ones?
calamansi here.
No. This is the
How much
line.
is this? Oh, the big ones is $4.48. Small
This
ones
is
is $2.98. Okay, that's okay. That's good.
Yeah. This is good. This is sweet.
What is it? Mini sweet peppers.
I use this a lot.
What is this?
Eggplant.
Eggplant. Okay, that's a big one.
Is that one?
$1.58 for a pound. How much is that? Is that a pound? Let's get some.
Okay, so Matthew.
Huh. 10 a box. What do you think? Good? No, this one right here.
This one? Or this one?
Yeah, that one. Fries. You're gonna make me fries at home? Mmm. Which one do you like? Of course, the chocolate face girl.
Wait, this one is
Yeah, those are good.
You tried it?
Mm-hmm. Do they have these in Philippines? No?
Oh, they're hot dogs, but
Hot dogs.
I mean donuts.
Yeah, it's a lot of stuff to experience. Okay. What do we got? Coffee? Okay. Which Spam? Where's the OG Spam?
This, all of this has. Oh, this one?
Yeah.
No, not light. This probably tastes gross.
No, that's
Oh, right there. That's
sodium.
yeah, that
Less
one.
sodium.
Less sodium. I like more sodium. Oh,
Get
two.
this one.
Yeah, the classic.
Get this
two.
one. The two.
Classic 2-pack. We got our manwich. My favorite is they don't sell the Dragon Ball Z theme ones anymore. They were at one point.
This one?
Which one?
I like to be.
Oatmeal?
Different flavors of oatmeal. That's just one kind of cinnamon. If you want different flavors, maybe like this one. If you want one kind only, go ahead. What's this?
Snickerdoodle.
Well, they have. Are we gonna get milk?
Yeah, we're gonna get milk.
Do they have powdered milk?
They closed the self-checkout. Yeah, all of them. Yeah, a lot of people scanning one and getting 10. It ruined it for all of us. Okay, what are we predicting the price?
Oh my gosh.
I'm thinking maybe like freaking $200 at least. What do you think? 500? Hamburger helper. Damage was 179.
Right.
So less than I thought. I thought it was gonna be 200, but it's not bad. Okay, so the total 179. That'll be the video for today. It was a kind of shorter video than usual, but thanks guys for watching. See you next time.